Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to... Okay, once again, together with clapping your hands. Ready, go! Happy birthday to you.
Smile!
Happy
Clap your hands.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And final shot. Jump shot. Okay. Are you ready? Jump. Jump shot. Okay. Dahan-dahan ka lang. Ready ha? Dahan-dahan lang. Okay. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Jump shot. Go. Jump. Ayaw. Okay. Basta palakpakan naman natin.
Ito yung sa 7-7 nyo, okay. Yung list ng 7-7.
Ay, oo nga, tatanong ko. Wait lang po. Ito yan.
Sana, ano?
Yeah. Hawak na sa'yo. Sayo lang kayo sila. Yes. Okay, the next. Glenn Abigail. Glenn Abigail.
Bigyan mo.
Take a picture na lang daw. Take a picture. Okay, take a picture. Smile. Yes. Alright, the next. Samantha Nicole.
Ayaw mo, ang tigas ng kamay.
Alright, that's Samantha Nicole.
Hawak lang, hawak lang.
Okay, Samantha Nicole. Okay, take a picture, sorry. Yes.
Okay na natin. Opo ka natin.
Okay,
Ayaw, yan, tigas
then
mo.
next. Jorlyn Bill. Jorlyn. Okay, Jorlyn.
Jorlyn. Ah,
I believe that one day I will be right there
Jorlyn Bill.
next to you.
ayaw mag-dance? Okay, got it.
Alright, then next. Hannah.
Dapat dito, tissue mo.
Hannah or Hannah.
Where do I begin?
Kasi, para kita sa dito ka. Para kita yun.
I'm missing you.
Lagay mo na, baby.
Okay, let's take a picture. Let's smile, let's smile.
Not to cry.
Yes, okay, then next. Aliana Guyal. Aliana.
Things overwhelming that much too strong.
Alright, then last but not the least, Michael and Kirsten. Kirsten. Yes. Alright, then next. Okay, then dito naman tayo sa ating 7 balloons. Okay, meron lang Nino Gabriel. Nino Gabriel. Okay, yung balloons.
Sino ba si Ninyo? Ayan, sige. Ah, sige. Ayan po pala.
Nino Gabriel.
O, anong wish? Anong wish? Mama, na palagay nga.
Alright, and next, Ross. Ross. Where's Ross?
Kingstar! Kingstar!
Kingstar. Kingstar talaga.
Mga nina. Ayun lang, salita mga ninang nila magsasalita, mama.
It's got to be. Alright, okay, then next.
Anong wish mo kay Turkey? Salita mo na. Kuya, ano si Kuya? King! Mamaya na lang. Kasi mamaya.
Okay, then next, Rafael Benjamin. Benjamin, sorry. Benjamin. Okay, the next, Jose Pino. Okay, the next, Marcos Chico. Okay, the next, Nel Agasal. Agasal. Alright, once again, last but not the least, we call it Jano. Alright, okay. Then syempre ngayon yung mga participants sa ating 7 balloons, balik tayo rito. Picture taking tayo together with 30. Okay, yung mga participants sa ating 7 balloons.
Stay as sweet and gentle as you are. Diba? Papayat na tayong dalawa.
Okay, hindi na. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ferdy! Dinayo ka ni Ninang. Galing pa ako sa loob ng munti, ah. So, ang wish ko, lahat na lang sinasabi, pumayat ka, ang sarap naman kumain, di ba? Lalo pagka nagluto si mama. So, okay yan. Alam mo, ang kulang, exercise. Kasi sabihin mo kay ate, walking tayo parate. Marami tayong marami tayong walking, exercise, dancing. Diba? Stress ka pa pag sinasabihan ka na magpapayat ka na. Hindi. Okay lang yun. So, eat pa more. Sana lumaki kang mapagmahal na bata, may takot sa Diyos, masunurin kay mama at papa. At ikaw yung peacemaker sa bahay pagka merong nagagalit na o merong away-away dyan, napagbabatiin mo sila, di ba? Masaya ang bahay na puro tawanan. Masaya. Di ba? Happy birthday, 30. God bless.
Hello, 30. Happy birthday to you. We wish you all the best. Just keep on striving hard, study hard, until you succeed. Okay? And always be good. Huwag kayong mag-aaway nila kuya. Lumaki ka sana mapagmahal. Huwag mo kalimutan laging pasasalamatan sila mama at si papa sa lahat ng mga binibigay niya sa'yo. And you're so lucky. Yan na lagi mo tatandaan. You're always lucky to have a family like them. Okay? Happy birthday to you. We love you so much.
Okay, thank you, Tita Glenn.
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Happy birthday, 30. Well, I just wish you continue to be a good boy. Wala nang masigit pa sa bata na lumaki na may takot sa Panginoon at mahalin ang mga magulang ng puso. Okay? So, happy birthday! Magandang hapon. Happy birthday, Ferdy. Yes. Si Ferdy kasi nakilala namin ko. Parang ano siya, pag yung pagkain, walang asin, hindi masarap. Si Ferdy yun. Pag sa isang lugar, walang Ferdy, hindi masaya. Okay? So si Ferdy, I wish na you have a good health with your family there, good health. Sana marami pang birthday, madarating para sa
birthday wish ko sa'yo is that may you know the Lord more in your life as you grow up. Tapos, continue to be a happy kid. May you and Chico be best friends forever. Yes. Tapos ano pa ba? Ayan lang, be obedient to your parents and stay sweet and loving.
pinaka-last na pag-asa ng bayan. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo sa birthday ng aming anak. Wish lang namin na forever na palagi tayong masaya. Katulad ng aming anak. Peace and love to everybody. Happy
Baby lower. Happy birthday to
Wait lang. Baby, wait lang ah.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, and once again, together with clapping your hands. Ready, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, 30 at the count of 3. We blow the candle now. Okay, ready, 30. 1, 2, 3, blow. Yes, nalapakan naman natin si Ferdy. Alright, and then yung mga kids.